Welcome to Debt-Free Dreams. Want to turn your first £100 into something more, but don't know where to start? You're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to invest your first £100 step by step. No financial jargon, no confusion, just clear advice on how to grow your money. Stick around until the end because I'm sharing some key tips to make sure you're starting off on the right foot. Let's get started. Part 1. Why you should invest your first £100. So, why should you consider investing just £100? Well, investing is one of the best ways to grow your wealth over time, and £100 is a great starting point. Starting small gives you the chance to learn without taking big risks, but also gives your money a chance to grow through the power of compounding interest. Over time, small investments can add up significantly, and the earlier you start, the better. Part 2. Understanding the basics of investing. Before we dive into how to invest, let's make sure we're all on the same page. Investing is simply using your money to make more money. Whether it's through stocks, ETFs, or even peer-to-peer lending, you are giving your money the potential to earn more over time. So, how do you get started with just £100? Part 3. Top 4 investment options for your first £100. With £100, you have multiple options to choose from. The goal here is to diversify your money and spread out the risk. Let's break down your best options for this amount of money. 1. Low-cost index funds and ETFs. The smart beginner chose. First up, ETFs and index funds. These are among the safest and easiest ways to start investing. With an ETF exchange-traded fund, you invest in a collection of stocks, usually within an index like the FTSE 100 or the S&P 500. This is great because you're investing in a group of companies, which means you're spreading your risk. These funds are perfect for beginners with low fees and automatic diversification. With £100, you can invest in a low-cost ETF, and you'll be exposed to many companies all at once, which reduces risk. This is an excellent choice if you want to get started without having to research individual companies. 2. Robo-advisors. Automated, hassle-free investing. Next up, let's talk about robo-advisors. These platforms, like Nutmeg or Wealthify, take the guesswork out of investing by creating a personalized investment plan for you based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. You can start investing with as little as £1, and these services are managed for you, so they're perfect for beginners. Robo-advisors will help you build a diversified portfolio, and they automatically rebalance it over time. With £100, you'll get a well-diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets, all tailored to your financial situation. 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Earning interest by lending your money. Another option to consider is peer-to-peer lending. This is a platform where you lend your money to individuals or businesses and earn interest on the loan. It's a higher risk option, but it can also offer higher returns. With £100, you can start lending and receiving interest payments over time. Make sure to choose a reputable platform like Funding Circle or RateSetter. If you're comfortable with a bit more risk and want higher potential returns, peer-to-peer lending is an exciting option to explore. 4. Stocks. Directly invest in companies. Finally, we have stocks. If you want to buy individual shares of companies like Tesla, Apple, or Amazon, you can do that with £100. This can offer high returns, but also comes with higher risk, especially with individual stocks. Start by researching companies you believe in for the long term. With apps like FreeTrade and Trading 212, you can buy and sell individual stocks with no commission fees, which is great when you're starting out with a smaller investment. But remember, stocks can be volatile, so proceed with caution. Part 4. How to minimize risk when investing £100. While all investments come with some level of risk, there are ways to minimize it. Here are 2 essential tips to manage your risk when investing with £100. 1. Diversification. This means spreading your £100 across different types of investments to minimize the impact of any single poor-performing asset. By investing in a mix of ETFs, stocks, and robo-advisors, you're reducing risk significantly. 2. Stay patient and stick to your plan. Investing is a long-term game. Stay patient and don't try to time the market. The longer your money is invested, the more it can grow through compound interest. So, avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market swings. Part 5. How to get started today. Getting started is easy. Let's recap. Here's how to invest your £100 today. 1. Choose a platform. Sign up for a platform like Nutmeg, Freetrade, or Wealthify. 2. Select your investment options. Choose between ETFs, robo-advisors, stocks, or peer-to-peer lending. 3. Fund your account. Deposit your £100 and start investing. 4. Monitor your investments. Check your portfolio regularly. But don't panic when the market fluctuates. Now you're ready to start investing your first £100. I hope this step-by-step guide helped clarify your options. If you found this video useful, be sure to like, subscribe to Debt-Free Dreams, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. And drop a comment below. How are you planning to invest your £100? Let me know.